Work out 0.004 times 0.32. This is question 22 from the Edexcel November 2022 Foundation Paper 1. In this video, I'll show you how to multiply decimals using decimal places. The decimal place of a number is the number of digits after its decimal point. So for example, in 0.19, we have two decimal places because we have two digits after the decimal point. So this is 2dp. So dp stands for decimal place. And in 0.6, this has 1 dp, or one decimal place, because there's just one digit to the right of the decimal point. And in 0.924, we've got 3 decimal places because we've got 3 digits to the right of the decimal point. So the first step to multiplying using this method is to count the decimal places in each of our numbers and then add these together. So for our first number here, 0.004, we have 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, so this is 3 dp. And in our second number, 0.32, we have 2 decimal places, 1, 2, so we have 2 dp. So altogether in this question, we have 3 dp add 2 dp, which gives us 5 decimal places. So that's step 1. Count the number of decimal places and add them together. Now step 2, we're going to remove the decimal points and multiply our numbers. So if we take out the decimal point here, we're left with 0004, which is basically just 4. And if we take out the decimal point here, we're left with 032, which is the same as 32. Now we need to multiply these numbers together. You can use whichever method you like, but I'll be using the column method. 32 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 3 is 12, which means 4 times 32 is 128. Now to place our decimal points, we're going to start with this answer here, and we're going to make jumps to the left, starting from behind the last digit. So this is what I mean. So we've got 128, which is our answer from here. Now we're going to make 5 jumps because we have 5 decimal places altogether in our question. So counting from behind our last digit, we're going to make 5 jumps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now our decimal point is here. Now we just need to fill in the empty spaces with zeros. And we need to remember to put a 0 before our decimal point, which means our final answer is 0.00128. Now don't forget to check that you've got the right number of decimal places. So we want 5 dp. So we need 5 numbers behind our decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This question is worth 2 marks, a method mark for the correct multiplication. If you make a mistake in your multiplication, but you place the decimal in the correct position, you get this method mark anyway. The second mark is an accuracy mark, which is for the correct answer. If you found this video useful, then you should watch this one next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.